Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we will once again run BinBotPro. You can run this robot also. You'll find link below the video. The minimum deposit is $250 but works worldwide. And if you like this type of videos also, make sure you push the subscribe button and the like button. Any question, leave them below the video. So let's start the robot. just like that, another win with BinBotPro. Till now I have not had any losers with the crypto trading, so looks like that's a much better call. So if you now log in and out here, let's see. Just like that. I think maybe we did a mistake. We did enter with one more trade. I was not planning to do that, but okay. Let's now stop it at least. Looks like we'll get two trades done. Let's wait and see. This one is done 56. Okay, so as you can see here now, we are closed there, and we have one open trade. Okay, I was not planning to run two in a day, but why not? This trading robot is amazing, so why not? We need to wait more. 3 minutes. So let's wait and see. So this only shows how good this BinBotPro is if you run it with cryptocurrency. I never knew. Especially this one I'm running this one you see here, this I'm not going to pronounce this. We would call it the robot number 4. So yeah, robot number 4. That's the one to run. Like I said, I was not planning to run 2 in a row. I just forgot to put stop, and that's an important lesson for you also. Always when you run, push the stop button, because otherwise you'll just keep running. In this case, like I said, basically we had some rules before. I had 3 rules. Now we can scratch some of them as we are trading cryptocurrency. So basically, take profit, stop when you have profit. I think that's a good rule still. And I think that's the only rule we need to have now. 3 losses in a row also. If you have that, you can stop. But for now, I have not seen any losses with this robot. It's pretty darn amazing. Like I said, I'm talking then about number 4, this cryptocurrency robot there. Amazing. So we can go back to the trade. We are still in the profit, so that's pretty darn amazing. We have more 2 minutes left. So you can also start with BinBotPro. Minimum deposit is $250. And I will say it's really worth to run it. I did build account from I think it was like $1,000, and I did build it all the way up to around 90. Then I had some losses, and I did take profit around 60. I got a little scared when I did run that time. This time around, I'm going from $250. And I take it all the way up to 100,000 this time. So you can see, so that's why maybe it was good. Now we got 2 trades because we're growing a little faster, and that's actually very good. We like that. So now let's see. We are still in the profit. Amazing. We need to wait more 1 minute. And we have 2 trades in a day, 2 winners. Just amazing. So yeah, I'm nothing bad to say about BinBotPro. This robot is just amazing and works worldwide. So that's another good thing. There are no one that can't run this robot, to be quite frankly. The only thing is that, of course, you need to go in the $250. But what can I say? If you go in with less, it would not make that much sense either, to be quite frankly. So I feel 250 is a great minimum for this robot. So now it's a matter of seconds till the trade is done. Let's go back here, and it's done. Let's see if it was a winner also. Let's go to closed. Let's move up, and as you can see down there now, both winners, and our balance are now 438. So that's super amazing. Like I said, I was not planning to run 2 trades, but more fun for you to see. So with that, have a perfect day.